2010 Chevrolet Traverse. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. A low odometer reading makes this vehicle a great value at this price. With a solid 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission, you will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof. This vehicle comes with a Carfax report, which reduces your buying risk by providing the vehicle's history before you purchase. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Call today to schedule a test drive.